Bullish Smooth Love Elixir cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Smooth Love Mixture market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth Love Mixture presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie limitlessness captures everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT Blast. Axie Limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Limitlessness is an NFT upheld play to procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Endlessness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the meantime, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Endlessness environment. Also, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Limitlessness? Axie Boundlessness support the play-to-acquire interactivity model wherein players are compensated by essentially investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie vastness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to section was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole pushed the grant in society programs. Sky Mavis additionally decreased the day-to-day furthest reaches of SLP procured in PvE from 100 to 50. Before this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing experience mode and by clearing the everyday missions. In any case, SLP compensations in PvP presently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the competitor list. Smooth Love Mixture is presently worth $0. SLP has moved 1.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $23,655,778. Smooth Love Mixture is presently positioned 242 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $124,111,925 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Smooth Love Mixture market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progression. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026 assuming that Smooth Love Mixture effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees. The SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Elixir will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $124,111,925. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that SLP is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Smooth Cherish Elixir go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Elixir might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Smooth Love Mixture might outperform 1 cent. What amount will Smooth Cherish Elixir be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of digital currency and Smooth Love Mixture, a drawn-out interest in SLP could see the value ascend to 1 cent inside the following 5 years. What amount will Smooth Cherish Elixir be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Smooth Love Elixir today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of SLP might actually ascend to 3 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Smooth Love Mixture cost be in 2024? Smooth Love Mixture cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Smooth Love Mixture cost be in 2025? Smooth Love Mixture cost is supposed to reach 1 cent.